how to respond to buyer request that is written in another language that is not English is what I'm teaching you today. Many people in the world, in fact millions and billions, do not speak English, or they speak English by the side. Therefore, you need to be able to communicate with your buyers in other languages. There are many buyers on Fiverr and online that are going to be communicating with you in Spanish, in Latin, in French, in Arabic, and in many other languages like Portuguese and German. Therefore, you need to know how you can be able to communicate with them without you speaking or typing to them in English. That is exactly what I'm going to show you in this video today. Let's go right away into the video. Today, I'm going to teach you how to respond to buyer requests or how to handle any kind of freelance job that is written in a foreign language different from your own language. Now, English is the language with which I'm communicating. But when you are working online, there are some countries that do not speak English as much as some other countries. Such countries include French-speaking countries, Latin-speaking countries, Portuguese-speaking countries, Arabic-speaking countries, and many more. Now, on your Fiverr page setup, you go to the page you see me showing now, which is your gig page. So you go to edit your gig. If you have already set your gig, most times you set your gig to only one language. You can see here the cursor is pointing. I only checked English, so it's even showing up here where it says select the languages in which you write. 1 out of 3 is what I selected, whereas I could have gone ahead to select other languages such as Dutch, Finnish, Greek, and many other languages. For the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to select French and also select German. So that means that I'm going to get in orders. After selecting, I go down and I'm going to click save. So what I've just done is that get orders coming to me in French language or also in German language. That is what it means. So if I go back, it's showing that I've selected the 3 out of 3 have been selected. You can see that here. Now, how do you do this? We'll go to particular languages. What I've looked at here, I opened some words written in French. This is où sommes-nous is a question, which means where are you? I will copy it in French and I'll come to Google Translate. Google Translate, and I paste the word I've copied in French. I put it there. Now it's going to give me the meaning on this other side. It said, where are we? And if you check it here, that is exactly what it is. Où sommes-nous? Where are we? Let me copy the second one, which says something else, saying pourrez-vous m'aider? Can you help me? So I come to Google Translate and paste it again. You see, it changes to could you help me? So if the language that they communicate with you is a particular language, come to Google Translate, paste it, and then you get the meaning. When you get the meaning, you want to take it back from English. You say, could you help me? Yes, I can help you. So I come here and I said, I can help you write the best articles for your blog. This is my own special area. You decide your own area. So English is the language I put it in. I can now select the language I want to translate to French and Portuguese. You now say où posso ajudá-lo a escrever this and that and this blog. So I will copy this. You know, the person asks the question in Portuguese. I will copy it and go back to Fiverr and or to any other freelance site I'm working on and paste the answer back to the individual in that particular language that the person understands. When the person asks me any question again, I am going to go ahead to my Google Translate, translate it from the language that the person put it to English, which I understand. I will write my own response in English, translate it back to the language of the individual and post it back. The same thing you write for the article. When you write the article in English, you convert it, you come to Google Translate and you translate it back to the individual person desires. So this is the method you can use for any kind of writing, for any kind of article, for any kind of material you are given. So maybe given, anybody can give you a job online and they can be from different countries. Many times on Fiverr buyer order, buyer request, you see that the request there is in different language. When I first started on Fiverr, I would just forget about it, I won't bother about it. But later on, I discovered this trick. I will just copy what the person wrote in the other language and move it to English language. Now you may be wondering, can this be done on a phone? The best bet that you have is to have your own laptop to work with. As a freelancer, you need a good laptop with which you can work. You cannot be working on the phone and said you are really serious. If you are really serious with freelancing, you should not depend on your phone only. Like what this screen recording I'm doing now, I'm recording from my laptop. I'm recording from my laptop, I'm not from my phone. So this is where I'm going to stop for now. If you have any question on buyer request, on language translation or anything, in fact, translation is a gig you can offer on Fiverr. And this is what you're going to do. Google Translate is what you're going to use. You translate from one language to another language for individuals, for people, and then you get paid. You go through the pain and you do all this and you get paid. There are paid versions of Google Translate by which you can do the translation, and then you get you have to subscribe to that bundle, which is more elaborate than the current Google Translate that we are looking at. And I'm going to talk to you in my next video on how you can work on Fiverr and how you can make money, on how your life can be better. Check out, I have more than close to 600 videos on my YouTube channel talking about different areas of life. Check them out and you are going to be glad that you did. I've made a boast that if you keep coming back to my YouTube channel, or if you have to stay with me for 1 year and your life does not change, you should go ahead and move with somebody else. In fact, by the time you are staying with my content for 6 months, for 3 months, daily checking different content out and taking action, you will see that your life has moved forward and your life is going to move forward. And I am going to talk to you some other time. You are going to make a lot of money on Fiverr if you follow these simple steps that I'm teaching you every single day. Bye bye for now. Bye. Some people have been trying to contact me personally and they're asking me how they can contact me personally. If you desire to have one-on-one discussion with me, you can send me a WhatsApp message via 080-36910-988. 080-36910-988. Just send WhatsApp message only and ask your question and I'm going to respond to you. If you desire to have one-on-one discussion with me, you can send me a WhatsApp message via 080-36910-988. Just message me only and I'm going to reply you. Bye bye.